It's an honor for me to be able to present part of my master research project at this meeting. We declare no conflict of interest related to this project. Over 340 million children and adolescents aged 5 to 19 were overweight or obese in 2016, and in 2018, 40 million children under the age of 5 had this condition. Worldwide, nearly one of every 5 children are overweight or obese. Obesity is a multifactorial disease. An important factor in this health problem is related to habit, such as what we eat and how we eat. And we all know that parent habits are transmitted to their children. For reasons that are not completely clear, food portions have increased over the years. Studies in adults have found that the food portion served influence their bite size. Other studies have shown that bite size of obese adults is larger than that of normal weight adults, but we don't know if it also happens in children. For our research question is, in 8 to 10-year-old children, does the amount of food on the plate influence bite size? And is there a difference in bite size between those that are obese, overweight, or have normal weight? Two objectives for this research. The first is to identify if there's a difference in bite size in 8 to 10-year-old children with a normal or a big portion of food on the plate. And the second is to identify if bite sizes are different between those that are obese, overweight, or have normal weight. This is a cross-sectional study that was approved by the Ethics Committee of the School of Dentistry of our university. It's performed with informed consent from parents and written assent from the children. Participants are boys and girls aged 8 to 10 from Mexico City. The children were classified as obese, overweight, or normal weight based on their body mass index and according to the CDC charts. Children are excluded if they have severe systemic condition, dental pain or large cavities, difficulty to follow instructions, food allergies, previous or current orthodontic or orthopedic treatment, or severe malocclusions. 37 children per group are needed. The sample size was calculated to be able to identify a 20% difference in bite size, with 80% power, and an alpha of 0.05 with a one-side t-test. Sampling was applied with children from public schools of a medium-low socioeconomic status. Different portion sizes were tested in random order in two different sessions. The two sizes are a normal portion and a big portion, which is double the normal portion. The different food, which are raw carrot, banana, salami, sausage snack, and loaf cake, are offered in random order on a plate placed on top of a scale. Children are asked to take a bite and to place the food back on the plate. The bite size of 3 consecutive bites of each food is registered and then averaged. Dependent t-tests and ANOVAs are used to comparison, and the cutoff for statistical significance was set at 0.05. When the abstract was submitted, we had data for 42 children. These preliminary results correspond for these 42. 59% of them are boys, 40% of them are 9-year-old, and 40% are 10-year-old. 17 of them have normal weight and 16 of them are obese. Size for raw carrot is larger with the big portion, but the difference is not statistically significant. For obese children, the difference in the bite size for 3 consecutive bites is 2 grams. This difference is larger than the difference for the normal weight children. With banana, the bite size with a big portion is statistically larger than with a normal portion, and the difference between these two portion sizes for the only 3 bites for the obese children is 13.2 grams, while it is only 1.5 grams for the normal weight children. There is not statistically significant difference in bite size for the loaf cake between these two portion sizes, but when we analyze the difference among the group, those that are obese eat 1.6 grams more with only 3 bites than those with a normal weight. Although the bite size for the salami sausage snack increases with the big portion, this difference is not statistically significant, and it seems to not be different between the different groups. In conclusion, the preliminary results for 42 children indicate that bite size does increase with larger portion sizes, and it looks as if bite size for obese children increased more than for the normal weight children. Up to today, we have data for 90 children, and we hopefully complete the sample size by April. We will then rerun the analysis to be able to report our final conclusions. Thank you for your attention.